how to use dual apps in iPhone. So if you want to use dual apps in your iPhone, then let's get started. Unlike Android, iPhones don't have a native feature for dual apps, but there are a few clever workarounds you can use to achieve something similar. First, you can try third party apps. Like, for example, you can go with your App Store, and from the App Store, you can search for some apps such as Dual Space or Parallel Space, which allow you to clone certain apps and run multiple accounts. These apps are available on the App Store and can let you use apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook within different accounts on the same phone. All you need to do is download the application. Once you've downloaded, you'll be able to use multi-accounts option, set up your second account, and you're good to go. You can always use the web version alongside the app. For example, you can log into your second account through Safari or any other browser while keeping your main account open in the app. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.